Yeah.
Akhil Swami,
Akhil Swami, you got to respond to this one. Akhil Swami, what was the attempt here? To push a secessionist line while justifying a number, and to say 295 is inspired by Sidhu Moosewala is absolutely pathologically dangerous.
See, first of all,
No, he said it.
till voting was done, you could not make a narrative of Hindu and Muslims. I don't know the objective of making the Hindu-Muslim narrative after every vote has been cast and the EVMs have to be counted.
I don't see how
so
you
I
can
don't
say
know
that.
why
I don't know.
Hindu-Muslim narrative is to be made.
No.
Now, number two,
No.
you are talking about Sidhu Moosewala. Mr. Amit Shah says that buy stocks after 4th of June, the stocks will go up. I have sold all my properties.
What?
I have invested everything in stocks, and if I do not get a return, whom to sue in the court of law?
So you're
A
changing
home
the
minister of the
subject.
country
Sir, beyond the
asking the
point.
countryman,
Beyond the
and
point,
he is
sir.
not SEBI registered person, and he has
Beyond the point,
recommended
is that still on?
that buy stocks, it will go up after 5th June. It is complete violation of the SEBI laws. He
Sir, you are
doesn't
not
have
on
the
my
authority.
subject.
He
You are
has
not even on the
disclosed
subject.
as to what
It's
shares he
Shehzad
holds.
no.
So the basic point is, why to make a narrative Hindu-Muslims? We are Indians.
Tuhin, I
142
don't-
crores
No, no,
Indians
I
we
think,
are.
I think we are on a
don't
serious
have to
point
make a narrative
here.
Hindu.
We are on a serious point, though I must say, Ratnakar Tripathi, that the point that national spokesperson of the BJP, Tuhin Sinha, sitting there is raising is a point of extreme concern. You cannot, Deshratan Nigam, you are a Supreme Court advocate. Can you come and say, I am inspired by the words of Sidhu Moosewala to claim 295? And what are the implications of that?
Very serious implication,
That
as
is
Tuhin
called what
pointed
is-
out.
Let him finish.
As
That
Tuhin
is
also
called
Let him
Let
Just one.
Yes, sir.
See, divisive, communal in nature throughout, and therefore you are going to rely on Sidhu Moosewala, and 295A clearly, states that hurting the religious feelings of
Long
the
shot.
parties,
Yeah.
hurting the religious feelings of the, parties in this country, the
Yeah.
people in this country.
Abhishek,
So it's
Abhishek,
communal.
Abhishek from there. Abhishek.
Tariq Ahmed Lari was asking or no as to how you got the number. Now, anecdotally, there is a reason why this polarization has happened. And the reason why Mamata Banerjee, for example, quit on Indy in Bengal. She blamed the Congress party for carrying out this Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra only from Muslim-dominated constituencies. And she said that this is an attempt to break my Muslim vote bank, and that's why I'll not do any truck or business with the Congress party.
The other question which I raised, which has still not been answered, and stay on that shot out there, because my question goes to Ratnakar Tripathi on that one. Ratnakar Tripathi, please understand, and I ask the viewers of Republic watching this debate this Sunday to roll back the number of times on the debate I have said there will be Hindu vote consolidation. Congress party's politics of Muslim appeasement has forced Hindus to steer away from your party.
No, sir. This is.
Sir, they have, sir.
This is.
Sir, you are in denial, sir, because you're a profound congressman. I appreciate your loyalty to your
Now
party.
let me tell you one
Sir,
thing.
go on, sir.
That is what called Bahusankhyakwad.
What is Bahusankhyakwad, sir?
6 of you,
6 of
with
who?
the fleet of cameramans and TV sets, are not allowing 3 of us to speak.
That's wrong, sir. That's wrong. No,
That
no.
is the thing.
No, no.
This is called
India is
please,
secular.
Deshratan ji. That is the thing. That is the Bahusankhyakwad.
Hindu by name is secular.
You are not letting me answer.
Okay, let him.
You are not letting me answer.
Go on.
And I am very much concerned.
Go on.
If Tuhin Sinha
Yes,
is so
Tuhin is
much
there
worried
on the
about
screen, Tuhin.
Sidhu Moosewala's thing,
Yes.
I mean that perception, what was the government doing? But one thing I
What do
know
you mean,
for
what
sure.
is the government
Sir,
doing?
what was the government doing? If
No.
he
I'm
thinks
sure
that-
government will act.
answer that?
Let me speak.
Will
Don't
you-
be
I'll answer that.
Bahusankhyakwad.
I'll answer. You asked what is the government
first
doing,
let me speak,
I'll answer.
sir. First let me speak, na.
You posed a question.
You will just intervene every time. So let me make it clear. Say Tuhin Sinha.
Okay, go on.
Okay, pose 5 questions.
Your
and I'll
name is
answer.
not Ratnakar Tripathi.
Ratnakar
You
Tripathi.
posed a
Go on,
question,
answer.
I'm
Go on.
answering
I'm
that.
getting
Is
it.
a
I'm
strategy
just
to buy
saying,
time.
Getting very
if Sidhu Moosewala is concerned a pro-Khalistani singer
You don't
by
think
the government party spokesperson, why didn't they take action?
Because he's
One
no
thing-
more in this world.
You don't let me complete. But one thing is for sure, कि the BJP is a pawn star party.
What?
Ravi Kishan,
This is no. This
This is
is
disgusting.
I think the BJP spokesperson. You cannot
What is
describe
this?
it. No, sir, this is not.
No, why not?
Ratnakar Tripathi,
Why not?
I do not expect
If
a
the
person like
singer-
you to speak
if
this
somebody
language.
is singing
And I think it is incumbent on the BJP
you are
spokesperson.
questioning
the
You
point-
can't call a
Why
party
can't I
that.
question
Yesterday-
Ravi Kishan and Nirua?
Okay, 1 minute.
Why can't I
We give a chance. We give a chance to Tohin to respond.
Arnab, the point over
You
here is
have the
that
choice of Ravi
yesterday,
Kishan and Nirua. The phone
yesterday
singer.
when the
And you are
sensible
talking
world-
कि राहुल गांधी ने सिद्धू मूसेवाला पे बोल दिया। अरे पकड़ के बंद करो यार।
अजय, अब हो
तुमको
गया?
लगता है तो?
अब बताओ।
सिद्धू मूसेवाला को नहीं बंद किया। साला देश के नंगे
क्या
गाने गाने
क्या
वालों को
भाषा आप
आपने
राहुल गांधी की
3
भाषा
टिकट
बोल रहे हैं
दिया।
यहाँ पे?
And you are showing you are a good party. I am not going to take
Tohin
it.
will
देखिए
respond to you.
अर्नब, the point is that on the day yesterday when the entire world was glued on to
Well,
the
Ravi Kishan
exit
saying
polls,
something, it is a
अब हो
personal-
गया
वाह।
ये फूलपुर की सभा नहीं है. देखिए अर्नब, the point over here, the point over
किसकी सवाल नहीं
here, the
आपने
point
बोला?
over here.
आपने किसकी सवाल नहीं
पंडित
बोला?
जवाहरलाल नेहरू के क्षेत्र
फूलपुर जहां भगदड़ मचाने की कोशिश की थी अखिलेश यादव और राहुल गांधी ने, और यहाँ से हार रहे
राजकोट की
हैं.
सभा है।
फूलपुर जहां आतिक अहमद को आपने भेजा था.
हिंदुस्तान की बदनामी मत कीजिए।
क्यों
फूलपुर हिंदुस्तान में पाकिस्तान की बर्बादी कीजिए।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? देखिए आप राहुल गांधी की लॉजिक यूज कर रहे हैं.
बोलिए,
राहुल गांधी की यूज कर रहे हैं.
वहाँ पे वहाँ बिरयानी खाने चले गए, अपने देश की बदनामी
देखिए
कर रहे हैं।
अर्नब, एक
फूलपुर-
सवाल पूछा इन्होंने, मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ.
माननीय
जवाब
द्रौपदी
चाहिए, अगर
मुर्मू के
जवाब
बारे में
सुनने
बोल
की-
रहे थे,
अगर जवाब
custodian of
सुनने
the
की धैर्य है,
parliament,
साहस
head
है
of
तो
the
सुनिए.
parliament,
ये
उसको
फूलपुर का
बुलाया
शब्द
नहीं
मैंने
उन्होंने।
कहा इसलिए क्योंकि अभी 10 दिन पहले राहुल
पार्लियामेंट
गांधी
renovation,
और
बात
आपके
करने
शायद
वाली अभिषा मुंडा
अगर
की
राहुल
होगी।
गांधी ने राहुल गांधी और अखिलेश यादव ने वहां अपनी सभा में अव्यवस्था
अरे कहीं झूला झुलाते हैं, कहीं बिरयानी खाते हैं, हिंदुस्तान
Okay,
के
viewers,
चैनल की बदनामी
viewers,
करते हैं।
I want you to look at the screen there, and our research is from P. Mark. In our understanding of the Muslim vote, the Congress plus Muslim vote share is up in all the direct fight states. Please, so all the places where it's a Congress BJP direct fight, there the Muslims have consolidated more behind the Congress party. What does that tell you? That tells you that wherever that the Muslims have voted for the Congress because they believe they need to vote out the BJP. Now, every action has an equal and opposite reaction politically. Politically. Hindus have also in turn voted much more for the BJP. Hindus have come out and voted much more for the BJP this time. 49% ST, 43% SC, 59% OBC, 62% of all generals have voted for the BJP this time. In this country, anybody should be intelligent enough to understand this much, Pularao. That if Hindus consolidate behind one party in a country which is 80% Hindu, that party is unstoppable as far as the power equations are concerned. BJP gets 58% of the OBC vote. The entire Hindu population of the country has voted for the BJP. There is a significant wave, and I don't see, if you're not a realist, why any political party will not want to accept this. This is a reality in our country. Pulla Rao, I don't, I kept saying it, that the Congress party is not understanding Hindus have become consolidated, not divided.
Oh, this is not a divisive statement, na?
This what?
You are for the unity of the India. You are
Of course,
regularly
I'm for the
causing
unity
Muslims.
of India, Ratnakar Tripathi.
No, you
more
are
than you.
regularly cursing a particular section of the
I am not cursing
Indian
any section.
society.
I am not cursing any
You
section.
are.
I am not,
You
sir.
are, sir.
You have made,
You
I accuse
cannot
you.
make me
What?
not to speak by shouting.
Sir, who spoke about love
You,
jihad?
no.
Would you
Who
allow me
spoke
to
about,
speak?
Who is speaking?
Who spoke
who is
about love
speaking?
jihad?
What jihad?
Abhishek,
What
Let me
jihad?
make it one thing clear to you.
Yeah, make it clear.
I have gone through your P-Mark survey on the Hindi channel of yours yesterday, and they have a sample of 150,000 only. And they said
So that's
that
a huge sample.
This is not a huge sample.
So statistically,
don't
it's a
take
huge
me-
sample.
Don't teach me
Sir,
statistics.
statistically, it's a huge sample.
That is
Sir, it's
275 people from parliamentary constituency.
Sir, I
and
think
they
what you're
said-
saying, you don't know what you're talking about. So
Again,
it's
you
all
are interrupting, sir.
I'm not
That's a good
interrupting.
sample.
You are, sir. You are, sir.
Sir, I'm not getting your point.
I'm telling you, they also said they have done it in the MLA constituencies.
Sir, I'm saying
if I
that
take a sample,
you should be happy.
please.
I'm saying you should be the happiest person, Pulla Rao, Ratnakar Tripathi, that you wanted the Muslim vote, you've got it. But you've lost the Hindu vote.